But you know say people funny o. Na the time wey the Jesus Christ come die, come everywhere come shake, now they say, oh boy, he's really the son of God. Now that one that e don late before then they wake up say na didn't. But not be that one at the turn, na Moses own now. This aspect of the story no be history, na mystery. Na be mystery wey dey behind the history. Why e be mystery wey dey behind the history be say human beings and God can't get problem for Garden of Eden. As they can't get that problem, so it can't be say the Almighty God can't say make them come out for Garden of Eden. So as they come out for Garden of Eden, the Almighty God can't let them understand say una no go be like how na dey before again. No. So as years they go on, the Moses story is falling. By the time when Moses can't go meet Pharaoh, when the Almighty God first tell am say, wetin happen be say, you go meet Pharaoh first, go talk to am well. When Moses reach there now, if to say by this same time and be this same story, the same season, the same time and thing, it's only that from generation to generation there's always animation of the generations. So but now wayo now then they take the animators since many years. Wetin dem dey do for wayo? Dem go dey na film dem dey act. Dem go act the film, everybody go believe say dem don observe the season be that. They go come chop pomo, come chop shaki, come chop eja, come drink pepper, come parry, come shark well, come dey well, come dey. Na dem dey take celebrate am since many years. But wey be say many people for many years ago that time, dem dey pray make dem for know wetin. Some don already crack their brain tire, they don write tire. They don people don they wan know how e go, they wan see and they wan for be able to feel the moment. Just like people dey feel that Jesus understand. Na so e dey now. So by this time when the people they don't anticipate and reach like this, now the time come eventually inside the history of years where they this world. Now it tell me say Pharaoh he no gree make Moses pass. When it be say na the beginning of the end of in 49 years then be that, which is generation. Now you say you no one here. Now be say be like say something there. Now make Moses come tell am say be like say you go show am. But the girl of say Moses no be maybe Moses. If na me be Moses, wetin I go do be say I go just stand there. No be say I go come 3 times or 4 times. I go just come there. I go tell am say oga, your creator, the Almighty God, the owner of everything, the creator of everything, he say make you let everybody go, make you let us go. If he say no go gree, I go tell am too. If he say no go gree, no problem. Oh, if he say no go gree because him be Pharaoh and him be hard guy, I go tell am say okay, no problem, wait first. Then I go beg Almighty God say abeg just permit me to deal with this man small, make him know say you there. And na you say make everybody go, not be pure eye, go let everybody go. When I deal with am finish with my brain, you go let everybody move, no be lie. If Almighty God no gree, make you know say no be me be him servant. If he gree, I go tell am say okay, you know wetin dey happen. Now you be Pharaoh abi? He go say yes. Now you be the king of all the whole place wey dey here abi? He go say I go say wetin go happen be say this here place wey dey go up ngwa move. Na so we go dey lift dey go like inside lifter. Na so we go dey carry. I go tell am say dey look your Pharaoh, your Egypt, dey look your place. As they go up, so your leg, if you like jump down, you go see what you go enter hole. Make we dey go. Now so we go dey go till we go dey reach cloud. I will tell am say if we reach cloud and you never decide, say make them dey go. Say God is Almighty. Now so we go dey go. Till you no go fit see that your Egypt again. Now almost the same thing go down, but in the opposite. I go tell am now, when we don dey reach cloud, I go tell am say oga, you see your Egypt don far. It start to be, see where we dey, decide, make them dey go, make we dey go. If them dey go, I go dey go. if you no gree na sabi you go gree. Why you no go gree? E no go harden up next time. I go tell am say if you do any other thing na all the whole country na go up, so you no go comot for up again. Na there una go dey. Na so I go do am. I go tell Almighty God you go do am for me. Why you no go do am? Wetin no? Na the work wey dem born me to do be that. To prove say God dey. I dey do am since many years. Na be one of those things of 2013 story wey concern to change the whole climate and things. Wey concern to comot the snow and all the whole thing. Then collect sun come. This na the proving say God dey. So when you understand say I dey prove to you say God dey, anything when I tell you say God say, you go do am quick quick. If you no wan do am, wetin I go do you be say I go leave you hand make you do wetin you wan do. When you do finish, you go know whether you go fit go save the whole world plus your own self. Because wetin go dey happen, now you go dey see wetin God be. Na im dey happen at this moment of years too wey we dey inside. So you no go fit do pass where your power reach. You go come know say God power too pass. Na im be my style, and na im be the thing wey I for take handle Pharaoh. Na so when you don understand say God dey, everything go balance. If you never still understand, because who knows say God dey no dey do person bad though. You know dey too much do bad. Na only who no know say God dey do person bad. Na im be my own definition. You no concern me whether I be Christian or Muslim or Hindu or Bindu. Nothing concern me. My own be say if you no know God, na make you be bad. You dey do bad because who know God no dey do. You no go do. Why you go come dey think say you go do a person bad? Wey be fellow human being like you, when you know God. Now you say you no know God. You know dey fear God. Na be that. So for those kind people dem get their own style wey dem take handle them. Like my own now, I get my own style. Those kind people, if dem say dem no dey fear God, I go leave them make dem do wetin dem wan do. Make dem dey do, no problem. When you do finish, you go run around the globe. Na so you go run, you go turn to Superman, you go buy cape wey go take dey fly. You go save that side, you go save that side. Because when God dey handle, no be my mind. You know say God no be my mind. Na knacking, God know. Na you go tell am wetin you wan do when go. No be you go talk now. Na you go leave am make you do him thing. You go just dey look, dey shout. Highest thing wey you go do, you go dey shout, you go dey fear. But the thing wey dey happen, dey go. You no go fit do anything. After you no go fit dey there to talk the story. If you say na lie, go all the places where earthquake don chop them. Look inside, you go see where e be say here na earthquake 4 point this one. Look the globe card well. Then you go take note say things dey happen. When you look the globe card, you go come see the natural disasters wey don dey knack for every corner dey come. The different things. So they come comot from natural disaster or come enter inside what they call biological hazard. Now you come enter. That is the one wey dey fish out all the people dem one by one. Na im be that one. E still get another one wey be say pass am. That one na im dey call the judgment. Na im go e dey pick the people dem by. I think dem say God no know how to. Dem think say only flood e dey flood, e sabi flood. No be so. E go surround una well, e go come dey pick everybody out first for middle. Na so e dey do am. Look the map properly. Na so e don do am before. E first say make Noah go carry him people come. E first say make Moses go carry him people come. Na so e dey do am. But this one own be say na so e go just dey pick because wetin dey. Nothing hard God. So in this generation wey we dey so, now they say if to say Pharaoh no come say make him go do tranga, that make him no come go the tranga they do they go. If for be say wetin go happen, go just leave them make them they go. For where them they go, nothing concern you. You know say for front there na Red Sea dey there, nobody fit cross and even boat no dey pass. Wetin dey worry ahead? Why you no quickly dem make dem dey go that dey go where dem dey go? Make you sef for see how dem go take go where dem dey go. Because you know say this side na Red Sea, e end, nothing dey pass. You go follow, you go dey look there as a person wey clever well. You go follow them, make you see how dem where dem dey go. Because all that place na im own, Egypt. So where dem dey go, na you go follow jeje. When they reach there, you go come see how Moses go separate the water. You go come bow. You go come even follow if you want. pass, look, come back to your kingdom. Na im dem dey do. No be say you go make one Pharaoh island for one side, come dey begin dey do people dem slave. Dey do yeye things, dey come, dey follow God do competition. Dey win trophy wey no dey. Na im be the thing wey Pharaoh commit by this time, that time. Na im make the Red Sea no be for ground e dey for up. Now this generation wey go come down. Na so the world dem make the world. Dem no make the world like pavement, like how dem dey build house o. No be so. E get as God do am. And na be the thing wey be the unfolding of years. Na dey call unfolding of time. Na be dey call eon. Na be dey call years. Na be the thing. So the mystery. Na people no come dey teach each other wetin dey happen about all these kind things wey concern years and time. And e get many people dem just dey look am like say e no be something wey you suppose to know. When you know say you don look 2013, before 2013 before that one, the one wey happen dey there, then 2013 come, 20 this one come, 20, when you wan come take, okay, the people wey come know and wan come say make dem do something, na so the people wey no know anything dem go say make dem kuku wan put dem for one side first, make dem first activate. Wetin dey activate when you know say you no even know the year season of God. God, you know say, wait, God matter. E dey for this world. wey no dey stop, e no dey finish. God matter, e dey wey dey end the world from time to time. God matter, e dey wey dey judge the world every day. Make you write am down. The matter wey concern God vex, e don write am for Bible, e don talk am, e don tell them. Everybody know the story. Say God vex, na you no do the covenant, the year of Jubilee well, the year of tabernacle. Now be say God go vex. Na so it be. If you can't no do am well, go look the history. Then all of them they come till this year they come. You go see wetin dey. Only some few years ago, na just like everybody they take party do Easter, they take party do everything. No be so. You get time wey be say you go get at them go dey, the ground go just open, all of them don't enter. Na so the thing be that time. No be say na relaxation period be this so. For these years, you no know say the year don waka full, we don fly reach here wey we dey so. You know be the one wey be that one na. Na im make God dey, when he don dey read this kind of time, he dey always dey send the prophet come, wey go dey help them to dey do the whole things wey dey make people believe say God dey, make them for follow. So I dey talk say those people wey don dey try to do wetin God don dey talk since tey, na them be the people wey dey follow dey cross the Red Sea so. Those people wey dey don dey jargonize all the whole thing, wey be like the people wey follow Pharaoh dey carry their snake come. If to say na maybe Moses, I go say make that snake, my own snake, swallow all those people comot. No be their snake, make they no, before them go bring their snake, I go just tell my snake, so I swallow all of them. Make them dey shout for your belly, make I dey hear. You go, na so you go swallow them. I no go swallow them. You know, here say swallow the snake wey they carry. I go say swallow the whole people wey carry the snake, all of them. As them do mumu follow come, swallow all of them. Yes. Na so the thing be now. Because na so some people go don dey go tell Pharaoh, if for try leave these people low. Pharaoh go say na him be guy man, na him tough, na him hard, him be hard man. Na him go do. Those people dem go come go one side, go sit down. One day dem go come dey fear to go tell Pharaoh, because dem know say Pharaoh no go gree. Na the kind people dey wey be the people wey dey for this world, wey say dem be Christian, wey dey try to talk say dem wan say Jesus Christ dey at all. Some come dey, they come be the type wey dey just the opposite and dey go. But every year then they celebrate Easter. Now every year then they celebrate Easter. Every year. Now then we won't celebrate Easter, but then when they wait for the public holiday now. After the short break.